delighted to share the news on the upcoming International Conference on Islamic Civilization, ICONIC, the third ICONIC, organized by Postgraduate School of Araniri State Islamic University of Banda Aceh, Indonesia. This is the third annual conference and projected to be held biannually after this year. And for this year's conference theme is religiosity, technological advancement, and social changes. Why this topic is significant? Because we thought that the issue of religion as well as religiosity in modern time face a number of challenges, and those challenges as well as opportunities at the same time also derive from technological advancement as well as digital transformation within the context of rapid social change of human society. For this conference, we invited several speakers from overseas as well as from Indonesia to share their work, research, and experience in this conference. But still, we would like to welcome professors, lecturers, practitioners, early career researchers, as well as graduate students from the related fields of Islamic civilization and Islamic studies, plus interdisciplinary field, to participate in a number of parallel sessions on various topics related to the theme of the conference.